My name is Aaliyah Jackson, and I'm about to present to you my Engineering 122 Freshman Design Project. First, let's talk about the problem. Every year, children suffer from severe shock from putting metal objects in electrical outlets. Outlet covers are used all around the world to protect little hands from poking anything inside outlets. It is proven that a child can literally just remove the cover, and if the parent is not watching, they will never know. I would like to introduce to you the ShooAwayBaby. This device will allow for parents to know when their child is near an outlet with the use of distance detecting, light, and sound. This use of this device will ultimately decrease the number of cases every year and improve the safety of children in many homes today. Now, let me show you how this device works.
I'm gonna do something bad today. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do something bad today. Darcy, I know you're not by that outlet. Shoo away, baby.
Here you will see where I took apart a smoke detector alarm and placed the Arduino inside with the breadboard outside of it. I also used a Dremel to cut out holes for my LCD screen and my ultrasonic sensor. This is how I wired up my Arduino, LCD screen, potentiometer, LED, and buzzer to the Arduino board. I then hot glued the top of the smoke detector alarm to the top of the electrical box. And you will also notice where I put Velcro for the LCD screen and ultrasonic sensor. One piece of the Velcro was on the actual sensor and the other was on the lid. This is the final setup of how I wired everything for this project. ShooAwayBaby. Now let's test everything out. You will notice how I will push this candle forward and look what happens. When the candle is in safe distance, it will say baby is safe on the LCD screen. Otherwise, it would say shoo away, baby. This is how the ShooAwayBaby looks on the wall next to the outlet.